And coming to the next category, causal system and non-causal system. So here in the causal system, it does not depend on the future input. So it is called it as non-anticipatory system. The signal output of the causal system depends only on the present and past inputs. So if I am writing my equation, then y of n is equal to 5 into x of n. This output of this equation depends only on the present input x of n. Whereas in this case, it depends on the present input signal x of n and the past input x of n minus 6. So it is a causal system, right? And non-causal system is anticipatory. That is, the output of the non-causal system will depend on the future input along with present and past. So it may have present and past inputs or not, but if it having the future input in your system equation, difference equation, then blindly you can write your system as a non-causal system. So the example is y of n is equal to 6 into x of n plus 8, future input. So this is a non-causal system. So the future input along with the present input, that is the next example, right? So you can have the past input, present input you can have. But if you are having a future input signal in your equation, then that system will coming under non-causal system category. Otherwise, the system is a causal system. If it depends simply on present and past, then it is a causal. If it depends on future, it may or may not have the present and past in your equation. But if it is having the future input, then it is a non-causal one.